Day 2, river crossing, river trail. Going back and forth about 20 times over the river. Here we go, about to cross. Anna, what are you about to do?
Cross the dangerously large river.
That's right.
With all the terrifying animals that might eat us.
Alright, what do you do if I fall in?
Say goodbye.
Use me as a raft.
Okay.
Catch it!